Hey y'all, Tony with Torian Tech, and today we're going to be talking about PropTech. If you build homes in 2026, you know those tools are cool, but they often fail you because they're either too complicated or they only really work after you spend all that money getting the house built. So since there's such a wide variety, I thought I'd go over a few and their use. All right, so we're going to start with everyone's favorite and dare I say state of the art. It's Matterport. If you're unfamiliar with this, it's a tool meant to solve the open house problem. Everybody can't always make it to your open house. You don't always have time to have an open house. So what they do is you either buy a really expensive camera and it does a little 360 spin in your space, or you pay them to send someone down to do that for you. And what's left is a nice visualization of whatever you were trying to capture. This is cool for the real estate market for homes that are already built. This one was made for a design center. You can see that they offer different options within their design center. Maybe a lot of you have one of these already. I found this ironic because the main drawback of Matterport is that once it's set, meaning nothing can change here. So you show off all the options that people can choose when they come buy a home from you, but within the actual technology itself, you can't change a thing. So I don't know. For me, that's kind of a waste. This is just a really fancy way of showing things. But if you're, again, in the space of selling homes that are already built, you don't offer any options to your buyers, or you just don't care, you just want to show them something besides making them get down to your physical home, this could be kind of cool. Let's check out the next. Right. So this next one's called SketchUp. This is a nice browser tool, meaning you don't need a fancy computer to run it or anything, but you do need some tech skills. It's supposed to be really super easy. I don't know. I've never tried it myself, but as you can see, I mean, you start with nothing. You can import files. There's clearly a templates and things to go through. This is real custom. I mean, this tutorial alone is 21 minutes. And so at the end of it, you do get a nice model home, it appears. But who wants to go through this process every single time with every single home buyer? And let alone have to change a fixture or something like that. I mean, this is real cool if you've got the time. Maybe you're a custom home builder and you don't mind spending hours to weeks to months with every individual client. But if you're more on the production side and you got floor plans already done up, you don't want to do anything custom. You just kind of want to, personalize that and maybe get the client out. So again, I think this is fly. This isn't as advanced as some of the other softwares that like maybe Adobe makes, because again, it only runs in the web browser. That's really, really cool. But I could definitely see this taking a bit of time to learn. So you kind of be at the mercy of a designer on your team, or always needing a designer on your team. Maybe that's your game, maybe not. Let's move on to the next one. All right, y'all. So the last one I want to talk about is called DrieHuis. It's really cool because it's 3D, so it's as futuristic as you're going to get these days. And you can also customize it on the fly, so in real time. Really easy to use as well. It's almost like playing a video game. I don't know if you remember The Sims, but what's unique about this, because this is patent pending technology, is that this is an actual floor plan. This isn't just a generic kitchen, isn't something that someone just whipped up. This is something that a buyer can purchase and live in the real future. And these selections are the selections that Johnson Homes actually has at their design center. The way they do this is that they're going to take your floor plans and they're going to digitize them. I mean, as you see, everything here is spec. It's exactly how it is within the actual blueprint and floor plan. And then they're going to take all the selections and they're going to sync them along with the pricing within the application here. You can put it on your website and, have it down at your design center. But what's left is this almost game-like experience. I mean, it's so fast and so I like this because it's really easy to see the different combinations together. I mean, when you're trying to convince someone to spend a couple extra $1,000 for the level 3 purchase, why not actually show it to them with the rest of the combinations together? And so this is a kind of cool kitchen. As you can see, everything here was done rather fast. They can do a room or the whole home. And as you see, we did it all online, meaning you yourself can do it online with your buyer before they even get to your area. So if you've ever wanted to close remotely, this is definitely something that you want to check out. Or if you want to get those homes sold before ground is broke, again, this is definitely something you want to check out. So I know I said that was the last one, but I got one more bonus one for you. Let's get into it. All right, for the bonus, I wanted to show you some instant customization that wasn't a Torian Tech product. We're with a nice home builder here in the South. They've got 2 of these set up, but I know that they've actually got 9 floor plans listed on their website. Why they didn't do this to all of them, I don't know. Maybe they only have actually 2 kitchens available. Who knows? Let's get into this though. Like I mentioned, they do offer instant customization, but everything here is rather flat and it's still very limited. I mean, we can change the backsplash, we could change the cabinets, we could change these little things on the fixture, but we can't change the actual fixtures, can't change the faucet, can't move around the space, and we're clearly limited to only the kitchen as opposed to the whole home like we saw in DrieHuis. So this is nice if you want to, I don't know, not be the state of the art, but other than that, you make your own decisions. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you guys will look at us for some more tech stuff. Disco.